Hey Diamonds, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to just jump right into the look. And my brows are already done, as you can see. To start, I grabbed my Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, and I did receive this in my October BOXY charm, and I'm going to go in with that blush shade Hidden Secret. Next, I grabbed my Suva Beauty Shadow in Hookah. Do you guys see that color payoff? I am loving Suva Beauty shadows. They are so insanely pigmented. I definitely took advantage of their Black Friday sale, so stay tuned so you can see more toots using those shadows. I went in with a clean blending brush just so that I could marry Hookah and Hidden Treasures together. For my outer crease, I decided to go back in with Hookah and stamp that just in the last 1/4 of my eyelid. Now for a little shimmer on my lid, I'm going to go in with my MAC pigment in Pink Pearl. Now I'm going in with a small detailed brush so that I can blend together Pink Pearl and that Hookah. For my liner, I'm going to use my new fave, which is the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in Grease. To activate it, you must use water, so I'm going to grab my mixing palette and pour a few drops in one of the dishes. Then I'm going to dip my eyeliner brush into the water and then use the wet brush bristles to wet the hydro liner. Now, I see some people just pour the water directly onto their hydro liner, and I just don't like that. I'd rather use the mixing palette to help. To prep my face, I'm going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Makeup Primer. I then grabbed my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade D70. To conceal, I went in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Hazelnut. Now, I like this concealer, although I do think it's kind of red on me. But once I blend it out, it kind of works, I guess. So leave your comments below. Let me know if you think this is my shade. Should I try something different? Maybe a little lighter, more of a yellow or neutral tone. So let me know below. To bake, I used my Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. To contour, I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Medium Dark. Going in with a fluffy brush, and I am going to brush away the rest of that setting powder. To bronze, I'm going in with the one and only the Estee Edit in the Barest Bronzer in Medium Deep. Now we're going to finish off the cheeks. I'm going to go in with my MAC Pro Longwear Blush in Stubborn. To finish off my lower lash line, I am going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Lip Pencil in Jolted. Yes, I know it is a lip pencil, but I am definitely going to use it in my under eye. Don't judge. To line my lips, I went in with my OCC color pencil in Black Dahlia. To finish the lips, I'm going to go in with this lip gloss in Merlot. The moment I placed this, I totally regretted my lip selection. I should have went something a little bit more nude, but I'll know that for next time. And Diamonds, here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Diamonds, as always, until next time.